So today is day 3 in Phuket, Thailand, and today for breakfast we went to this roti joint that's located in the old town, which is about a 5-minute walk from our accommodation. And this is their menu. They've got a huge variety of rotis from savory to sweet. And here we have ordered a chicken biryani with a side of some chicken curry and also a super crispy roti with a fried egg on top. So this is the name of the restaurant. It's called the Arun Restaurant, and they're super popular and famous for the welcomes. And here's a huge selection of curries and side dishes. It was very unfortunate that a lot of these were sold out by the time we came here. And this is the Wall of Fame. There's a lot of celebrities and a lot of articles about this restaurant. And this is the crispy roti with condensed milk. It's so damn good, I could easily eat another 2 plates of this. And afterwards we took a tour with Kook, heading towards the Big Budha. And in the middle we stopped by the Korong viewpoint, which has very nice scenery. And here we have arrived at the bottom of the Big Buddha. It started pouring right before we got there and got really foggy, so we weren't able to see anything. And here we're at another temple called the Wat Chalong. There's a lot of cats in this temple and they're all so cute. Just can't help but pet them all. And afterwards we were brought to a cashew nut processing factory, which was included in our tour package. The tour guides will try to sell you some cashew nuts, but it's really up to you if you want to buy. There are some really interesting flavors, so I reckon it's worth a try.
Is this real?
And afterwards, we were also brought to a honey processing factory, which they would also try to sell some honey products. And this is our last stop for the day, the Chaofa Weekend night market. They have a huge variety of shops inside, including clothing, food, and souvenirs as well, and a lot of other things. This market is massive, and even the food section alone would take you hours to go through. So this is some of the food that we got. We got some of the takoyaki looking thing with a variety of seafood in there, including some squid, crab sticks, mussels, oysters, and other stuff. And we also got some mantis shrimps stir-fried in garlic. This was really good, super sweet and juicy. Unfortunately, my camera was out of battery. And afterwards we had to rush back to our van, and that's it for today. Thanks for watching.